Today we're going to go ahead and draw Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon. It's going to be just a headshot. Real simple, easy, completely for beginners. So if you're a beginner, stick around, okay? It's only be 8 minutes, and stay all the way to the very end, because then by the very end you have like this, it'll be ingrained in you a lot more. So it's just a head, all right? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve over here for the top of the brow. Curve down here for the side of the head. Curve around the corner here. And I'm going to pull right here front of the mouth, and I'm going to pull another one right here front of the angle over here. Curve over here down, and line over here. Little tiny spikes on the top of the head, right, running back, right there. Okay. Curve around the corner here, down. Curve around here. Close, pull in. Going over here, close, pull in. It's kind of like little horn thing area, that kind of horn area in the south side of the face, or kind of like a brill of some type. I'm gonna go over here on this side, pull down, up. Over here on this side, pull down, up. Gonna go over here on this side, and there's a little bit of like some horns here in the back, so, or on the top of his little ones right here. Curve right there, and we're gonna go over here and curve down. Obviously, he was designed to be cute, this character. All right, so let's go to his ears. His ears are folded back, so I'm gonna pull up, curve, and then a little bit of some imperfections on the way down. But overall, it looks a little bit more like a teardrop. Gonna go over here on this side, pull up, down, zigzag over here, down over here. Over here on this side, curve down for one eye. This will be the top of the eye, and I'm gonna find the bottom on this side. Curve over here, make sure the eye is really far away. Curve down, pull up. Curve for the top of the brow there. You pull a line here for the top of the eye a little bit. You know, we're still looking at them. We're still kind of like, okay, you know, remember things are relatively soft, so just kind of keep that in mind. Going over here, line, 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 kind of like some frills around the corner there. And I'm gonna pull a line right here straight down. His neck is as wide as his actual head, right? So kind of keep that in mind. His neck is as wide as his head, because it's gonna encompass, you know, his arms and stuff too. So now we're gonna go over here on this side, pull a line down, down over here, out. Line down, line down. And over here, I'm gonna thin lines right here for kind of the folding of that neck area, and that's kind of what you want to concentrate on a little bit. Well, not concentrate on, but it's something you want to think about is details, because this is, you know, just a drawing, right? So you want to focus a little bit more on the details as opposed to, because it, like, normally it's a 3D render. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like if you like this kind of stuff. You want me to go over more movies, more things like this. I'm kind of expanding what I do. This is a Halloween-ish channel. Obviously, it's a spooky channel through the year. But I want to expand it more into like more creatures, but even like creatures that are not like too scary, right? Because this guy's not scary at all. Toothless is an awesome, awesome character from like an awesome movie. I'm gonna go over here, curve. I'm gonna pull up, down, around the corner here. Line over here, line over here for kind of the nostril area. Curve. And over here on this side, we're gonna curve it here. And over here, curve it here. It kind of looks cross-eyed, but he's not. All right. I'm gonna pull a line underneath. Curve right there. curve down here, and another curve up for the tongue. Then line here. I'm gonna fill it in, fill it in, fill it in. It's gonna make it dark. The reason to make it dark is because you want it to fall back. I always say this, like, don't forget to hit the like, by the way. When you're putting dark to stuff, you're pulling and pushing things away from the camera and forward to the camera. And the reason you do that is because to make it more clear to the viewer. If you want to learn more about general drawing, go to my website at sketchingeasy.com. I have a lot of stuff there. I have some free goodies on there as well. Or check out the Gumroad, and there's gonna be a lot of goodies on there too. So go check that out. I'm gonna go over here, curve, fill this in for one eye. Okay. Gonna go on this side. I'm gonna put the highlight on the same side. That's gonna save it from looking cross-eyed. Put the highlight on that side. Okay. Doing good so far? All right. So everything from here on out is gonna be just detail. So I can throw like little thin line right there on his horn and a little thin line right here on this horn. On this side, zigzag up. This side, zigzag up. Line up here, line up here, line here, and up here for the armpit area, and line over here, curve up here for the eyes, like these are thin lines, by the way. Sorry, I didn't emphasize that. You want to make sure they're thinner than everything else, because that way they're not going to attract too much attention. They're going to read secondary as detail, and that just makes things look more complex, makes things look a little more, I don't know, it just makes things look a little bit more readable and exciting, right? When you do that, it just makes it look better, and it just makes it look like you put more work. You're like, whoa, this person put a lot of work into here, and I like it, right? That's kind of something that you want to do. You're like, okay, this is cool. This is some fun stuff, right? Yeah. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to expand the channel. Let me know what you think. And I really want to make this channel a lot better. So I want you to comment, and I want to make this a spooky drawing channel through the year, and then a Halloween channel in the season of Halloween. Pretty much it. Talk to you later, and I'll see you next time.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.